In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use filters to find specific items on Vestiaire Collective. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer variety of options available, this tutorial will show you how to narrow down your choices and zero in on exactly what you're looking for. Let's dive in and explore how you can make your shopping experience smoother and more efficient. To begin with, open your web browser and type in Vestiaire Collective in the search bar. Once the search results appear, go ahead and select the first link. This will direct you straight to the Vestiaire Collective homepage where you'll find countless pre-loved fashion items just waiting to be discovered. Upon reaching the homepage, look towards the top right-hand corner and click on the Sign In option. If you're not already logged in, this is where you'll need to enter your account details. Take a moment to do so now. If you don't have an account yet, consider creating one for a more personalized shopping experience. Next, locate the search bar at the top of the page. This is where you can search by brand, article, or any other specific keyword. If you're not sure what you're looking for, don't worry, you can also browse through popular searches for inspiration. Once you've entered your search criteria, hit enter and your initial results will populate. Now let's refine these search results to suit your preferences. Look for the All Filters option, usually found to the left of your search results. Clicking this will open up a comprehensive list of filters that you can apply. Here's where the magic happens, allowing you to sort through countless listings seamlessly. You'll see options to sort by categories such as sale items, designers, conditions, sizes, colors, and materials. Take your time to click through these filter options and select the criteria that best match what you're after. Additionally, you might consider filtering by price or location with the Shipped From filter, which can be particularly useful if you're trying to manage shipping costs. There are also special options like express delivery, editor's pick, and seller badges, which can enhance your shopping journey by offering items that meet certain guaranteed quality standards. And if luxury watches are your interest, you can dive even deeper with the Watch Mechanism filter. Perhaps you're hunting for bargains. If so, clicking on Reduced Prices might just unveil that hidden gem within your budget. By exploring and experimenting with these filter options, you can craft a tailored and efficient shopping experience. Finally, with your filters applied, browse through the curated selection. Now you're ready to make informed and satisfying purchase decisions. We hope this tutorial helps you navigate Vestiaire Collective with ease and enables you to find the perfect pre-loved fashion pieces more efficiently than ever before. Thank you for joining me today, and happy shopping!